Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing the best Frigidaire Dehumidifier 50-Pint with Pump. The Frigidaire FHDD5033W1. Whether you're battling humidity in your basement, large room, or living in a region with damp seasons, this dehumidifier might just be the ideal solution for you. Let's dive into everything you need to know in the next 5 minutes. This unit is designed for medium to large rooms and can handle areas up to 4,500 square feet. It has a 50-pint capacity, meaning it can remove up to 50 pints of moisture from the air per day under standard testing conditions. That's a powerful performance that directly contributes to a more comfortable, healthier environment, reducing the risk of mold, mildew, and musty odors. The first thing that sets the Frigidaire FHDD5033W1 apart is its Wi-Fi connectivity. This means you can control the dehumidifier remotely through the Frigidaire app. Whether you're on the couch or away from home, you can adjust humidity settings, turn it on or off, and receive alerts, all from your smartphone. It also integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, so you can control it with voice commands. When it comes to energy usage, this model doesn't disappoint. It's ENERGY STAR certified, which ensures it operates efficiently without racking up your electricity bill. You get powerful moisture control while being mindful of your energy consumption, something both eco-conscious users and budget watchers will appreciate. Now let's talk about drainage. This dehumidifier gives you two convenient options. You can use the built-in water bucket, which has a 1.7-gallon capacity and is easy to remove and carry. Or, if you prefer a more hands-free solution, connect a hose for continuous drainage and never worry about emptying the bucket again. The unit automatically shuts off when the bucket is full, providing worry-free operation. Humidity control is incredibly customizable. You can set your desired humidity level, and the unit maintains it automatically. It works effectively even in cooler environments, performing down to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. That makes it a great option for garages, cellars, or basements where temperatures can dip. Maintenance is simple, too. The easy-to-clean, washable filter captures dust and particles from the air, helping your dehumidifier stay efficient. Plus, the unit notifies you when it's time to clean the filter, so you'll never forget or let performance slip. In terms of build, it has a compact design with dimensions of 10 inches deep, 19 inches wide, and 19 inches tall. It's small enough to fit comfortably into most rooms without being intrusive, yet powerful enough to handle large spaces. Its smart features, customizable controls, and reliable performance make it one of the best in its category. That wraps up our review of the Frigidaire 50-Pint Portable Dehumidifier with Pump and Wi-Fi. If you want modern convenience paired with powerful humidity control, this is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss our next breakdown of must-have home products. See you next time.